Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your trading history in MetaTrader 5. If you want to improve as a trader, reviewing your past trades is one of the most valuable habits that you can develop. Your trade history gives you a record of every position you've opened and closed. By analyzing this information, you can identify successful strategies, recognize costly mistakes, and track your overall performance over time. Trading history is essentially a log of your previous trading activity. It includes details such as entry and exit, prices, profits and losses, trade sizes, and execution times. The information can help you make more informed decisions in the future. So to get started, launch MetaTrader 5 on your computer as you normally would. Once the platform opens, click on the view icon here, and then you're going to click on Toolbox. Or you can also click on Control plus T, and this shortcut brings up the same panel without navigating through the menu. So the toolbox window will appear at the bottom of the platform, and you'll be able to see several tabs containing account and trading information. So you're going to look for the history tab and click on it. This section displays a complete record of your completed trades and account activity. If you don't immediately see your desired transaction, you can right click anywhere on the history window and choose a specific time rate such as last month, last 3 months, etc. You can also click on custom period if you want to do so. You can also customize the displayed information by adding and removing columns, making it easier to focus on the data that's more important to you. For deeper analysis or record keeping, you can right click anywhere in the history tab and you can click on report and you can simply export XML or HTML. This allows you to save your trading records to your computer for future review. Regularly checking your trading history can help you evaluate your results, refine your strategy, and become more consistent in your trading decisions.